Hey guys, how you doing? Ron Raymond here from the Raymond Report with your preview and prediction on tonight's game between the Atlanta Hawks and the Washington Wizards. Now, going into this game, the Hawks a 3.5 point road favorite. Over-under set at 216.5. ATS forecast, the computer pick, gonna lean with Atlanta here, 116 to 108. The over-under at 224.88. Looking at the value on this game, if you do like the Atlanta Hawks, we had them listed at minus 233, and you're laying 3.5, so a bit overvalued tonight against Washington. And we had the Wizards at plus 4.36, so the Wizards a bit undervalued in our estimation as well. The chance of winning the game straight up goes to the Hawks at 50% according to the Raymond Report Law of Average Theory, and the chance of covering a whopping 82% for the Washington Wizards. The Kogo at 42%. Kogo stands for chance of game going over the total. The Wizards have lost 3 games straight up and against the point spread, where the Atlanta Hawks are on 2 ATS wins, and that's pretty impressive when you consider they're coming off a loss, so they're staying in close game. Looking at the early line moves on this game between the Hawks and the Wizards, total opened up at 232, and it's at 216, so obviously a fat finger punch up here, and we'll see what happens with the line, but I think 216, and you look at the total 224. A lot of firepower between these two teams to go over the total for the Atlanta Hawks on the season. They are 4-5 straight up on the road, 5-4 against the number, but 2-7 to the under. So be careful in that aspect. And Washington not having a good season, 3-11, 1-5 at home, and 1-5 against the point spread. But here's the law of average theory: 5-1 to the over. Now, Atlanta Hawks on a 1 day's rest. And teams that are normally a 1 day's rest that are 3.5 to 6 point road favorite in the NBA this season are 16-8 straight up, but 13-11 against the point spread, 11-13 straight up. Guys, if you're interested in my top plays, my best bet, we got a new feature now here at atsstats.com. You can get my picks via email each and every day. You just subscribe to one of these packages here on the front page on the right side menu, and I will send you my top plays each and every day via email right here at atsstats.com. As always, shop for value, play those percentages. We'll see you back shortly with another Raymond Report.